ni leader sinim sing toy. Takuram kro chung siyo. Takuram kro chung siyo. India independent. Jini Bharat Borsor independent one pandawo. The Northeast leaders and the princely independent state of Tripura people had contributed so much for the independence of our country. We Northeast people, we always proudly introduce ourselves that we are the proud citizen of our country. Once upon a time, our Tripura state was known for the extremism. We were known for the extremism, but the government of India never tried to know why the people of Tripura had formed several times the organization, the Anchalik Party, the regional party, to fight for our rights against the government of India, against the concept of the government of India. The Constitution of India is being framed, irrespective of all colors, all religion. We are equal. We are equal. But though the Constitution says that we are equal in our country, irrespective of all tribes, but in practical, we have never seen, we have never felt, we always felt that we are divided, we are ignored. Therefore, today, we are bound to form, we are bound to raise our voice. Let the government of India think, respond to our cry. If they really consider that we, the Tiprasas, are their citizens, it is their responsibility to take care of its own citizens. Bono ang sanim chuo takuram krao, bangma kau sanim matungo. Tini time sorry ba panda ang saya. If I ever get opportunity ang sanay, ay nim kani kau tini ang sakok yako, ang try next time sanay takuram krao. Ang ba pandawa tini notice joto leaders, though they are not tao present ya pono. Ang brono hambay Mario, tini tanghao paye chuno support ke paymo pandawa. Ami ti prasaro chungwan anay kroy, Maharashtra nai kolomabay, chung daidi no yok mari maye tungo, joto chung thangha tona, joto takuram krao, ti prasa long live, Maharashtra long live, daidi no chung teko maine so khaksanga joto no.
Belai ke hambay, sini